Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Crypto Blaze, and on this channel we talk about everything that has to do with cryptocurrency related, ranging from market analysis to NFTs, Web 3.0, metaverse, and all crypto related topics. So today we are going to be doing analysis on ILV, Illuvium USDT. We are on the 4-hour time frame as usual. We are starting from our higher time frame so that we can know the general bias of the market. So as you can see, Illuvium is in a downtrend from here, creating lows. If you see from here, you see that we are making new lows, creating lows. So definitely we are from here, we are in a downtrend. So we are looking for sell setups only. Since Illuvium is on a downtrend, we will only be looking for sell setups. Now, what is the next thing to do? We have to find out key levels. I can see that Illuvium just broke this support level right here and is heading back to it now. So we might be looking for sell setups around there to come down. So let's just see what we can get from here now. So I can see this support got broken. Yes, and now we can see Illuvium is around that support area now. So as we've identified the support, we can also, I think, can also draw a trend line. I don't know if it's possible, but I think so. I think so. Yeah, we can draw a trend line right here. Yeah, we can just draw a trend line right here. So as we are in this support area now, our goal is to look for sell setup from this area. That's our goal now. So we can just push down to lower time frame, maybe the 15 minutes or the 5 minutes. For me, I want to go to the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, coming on the 5 minutes time frame now, I can clearly see the time frame looks choppy. Let's check the 15 minutes first. Okay, I think it's quite the same. I can clearly see, let's use the 15 minutes. I can clearly see a demand zone that will serve as target later on in the future. Then I can just, since we have already hit the top of this trend line, even though it's not that perfect, you can see we almost hit the top of this trend line right here. We almost hit the top of this trend line here. But even though trading is not perfect, but we hit it. I'll take it as that we hit it. So I can look for chart patterns here. That is going to happen, or break of structure and retest. Maybe break of a structure and retest before heading down here, before we take our sell entries, because we cannot just take blindly that okay, we've sold, let's now trade blindly. We're still in a downtrend. So yes, that is just it. So there's no much information right now to take an entry or to say anything. Some more aggressive traders could have entered here, because this is a candle confirmation at the resistance, and you just target this demand zone as take profit here, and you just put the stop loss just above here. But you can also take the trade like this, but I don't trade like this. I'm still looking for extra confirmation inside this resistance area, and inside this trend line here like this. I'll still look for extra confirmation, maybe a chart pattern, or yes, probably a chart pattern, double top, double bottom, triangle pennant, or a break of market structure, because definitely price is still going to come down and fill all these imbalances. and feel all these imbalances in the market. So we are definitely on the sell side, but we just need to find that good entry before we take our trades. So guys, if you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe, like, turn on post notifications so that we'll be encouraged to make more technical analysis videos like this. Thank you for your support. So yeah, that is just it about Illuvium USDT. There is no much information yet for me to analyze it. That I can even see something like this. I can see something like this coming over here, but that information is really not necessary. This is like a double top, double bottom something. This is like a double bottom chart pattern over here. It's like we have a double bottom chart pattern. So the only way I will go bullish on Illuvium is if we probably break this. We probably break this high. If we can break this high in which we are in now, that's the high of this double. Let me just put something so that you can see it here. Yeah, this green box. If we can break this high and break the trend line also, then I'll be bullish on Illuvium. If we break and retest, then I'll be bullish on Illuvium. You know that you cannot just say, okay, we want to sell, we should sell. You should always learn to adapt to market, because the market can decide to change now and go bullish. But if I want to go bullish, I will need a break of this high, a retest before heading upwards. So that's it guys. That's it about Illuvium USDT technical analysis today. See you on the next show. Thank you.